Virgo, this is your channel messages for the 3rd of June. Virgo, I was hearing Illuminati. Not sure where that was coming from. But your channel message is the Hangman, the soul was sold, and 4 of Wands. I'm getting something about a meeting. Okay? Something about an invitation, maybe to dinner. Something around a dinner table. I got interrupted with your reading, Virgo. I'm not sure if that is a sign, okay? So I'm getting something about a meeting. We had the 4 of Wands, right? We had the 4 of Wands here. I'm getting something about a meeting, something about a house. I was also getting something about made for TV. Something is made for TV. Listen, I don't know who got you into, but you're making them millions. 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 And this is crazy. I'm sorry. I know I look fat, but it was the weekend, so I had to overindulge. Anyways, let's go ahead and go into your reading, Virgo. Yes, something is a secret. I'm getting all of your neighbors know. Or you're going to realize something about your homing situation. Maybe you're going to realize there's cameras in your house. Tell me about it. The first people ever put cameras in my house was the Russians, and it was in Quebec. 2714 Grand Boulevard. It was Sylvia Road. They had a weird... Post Canada wouldn't change the address. Anyways, let's go ahead and go into your reading. Very high-tech cameras. I'm getting them. These cameras and microphone is not something you could detect. You have to be an electrician. You have to be a licensed spy to know these fucking devices. These devices blend in like a color correct band-aid. First card out, the 6 of Cups. I'm getting something about an apology. Are you supposed to be apologizing? I'm getting something about video or a call with you and somebody apologizing to each other. I'm getting making up with somebody. We have the Wheel of Fortune. Yes, somebody that you haven't seen in a while. So somebody want to say, I'm sorry to you, or I'm getting you're going to say you're sorry to this person. We have the Hangman. Yeah, you realize that maybe you were an asshole. Maybe something was taken out of proportion. All right, I'm getting you're willing to say that you had a part to play in something. We have the Justice card, yeah. Because the Justice card can say, yes, I'm right. You know, but how did we get to this position? Where did I go wrong, even though you know you're right? I'm getting something about an apology, Virgo. Somebody want to apologize to you. Maybe somebody want to clear them name. Them want to clear them conscience. Okay. The 6 of Cups is clarified, but yeah, them want to clear them conscience. The Strength card is the ego. So I'm getting somebody, maybe somebody said something about you, a lot of backlash, and feel bad about it now. And maybe somebody said it in front of the presence of other people. Maybe somebody said it because they was jealous. But I'm getting somebody want to clear them conscience. So they're going to apologize. They're going to say, I'm sorry. Man, fuck that bitch. The Wheel of Fortune is clarified. But yeah, I'm sorry. Can we be friends now? Can we all go out and have fun? I don't want no motherfucking apology from that hoe. Yeah, I'm sorry. They won't go out with you. Just forget the past. And then let's use you again. And let's take it through the high and the side and the low and the impoverished. And then let's all make up. Yeah, I'm getting somebody want to clear them conscience. I'm getting something about a Leo. Or something about a reset. Reset into the same position. A reset into the exact same fucking position. Now, both of them is in the same position, but not really. He's in the position... Wait, I'm sorry. So this is why it's important to have reflective cameras, so you know where you're going wrong. Yeah, both of them is in the same position now. The Hangman. Them are going to put the same position them did here in the last time. Them are going to do it again. Fool me once, shame on you. Fool me twice, shame on me. Then I'm going to do it here again. So I see something about a toxic behavior. It's toxic as Virgo. So yeah, saying toxic people. Yes, it's the type of destiny swapping friends. It's the type of people them are going to always do the same shit to you. We have the Hangman 2 times. Even if you went through what you went through and you say you're sorry and you forgive them, apology, they're not going to do it again. The justice card is clarified by the Hierophant. Listen to me. Jesus tell you to forgive thy neighbor and to turn the other cheek to thy injustice, brother and sister. But him kill him son. Him one and only son. The Hierophant. Girl, if you look back, you're gonna turn to a pillar of salt. Do not go back. And if you go back, the commitment have to break off first. The Hierophant. Maybe you have a big name. Maybe when somebody didn't know you, you wasn't it wasn't anybody was talking to, and now you have a name for yourself. I'm getting someone who want come back and say sorry. No, that's okay. Virgo. Yeah, them ghost you. I don't know if you ghost them, but I'm getting you had a reason. We have Aquarius. We have Cancer. We have Tuesday. We have Secret Society. I'm getting something is made for TV. We have Scorpio. And we have Shark. I'm going to leave it here. Virgo. Until next time. Bye.